Every senior dev you look up to was once completely lost in a code base they didn't write, asking questions they were embarrassed to ask, shipping things they weren't proud of. That's the junior experience. It has always been uncomfortable. The AI bubble just convinced many people that the junior path was closed. I beg to disagree. Junior hiring dipped. That part is real, but the companies still hiring juniors are looking for something specific. Someone who can work alongside AI without being dependent on it. Someone who understands what they ship. That profile is rarer than it sounds and more valuable than the headlines suggest. The first thing junior devs need to do right now is ship something real. Not a tutorial clone, not a to-do app, something with real users and real stakes. It doesn't need to be big, it needs to be yours. A real project tells an interviewer more than a bootcamp certificate ever will. The portfolio that gets you hired in 2026 is not the prettiest one, it's the one where you can explain every decision you made, every problem you hit, and how you solved it. Interviewers are not looking for perfection, they are looking for evidence that you think. The second thing is depth over breadth. One stack, one domain, one area where you become the person people ask. The junior devs who stand out are not the ones who learned 5 frameworks in 6 months. They are the ones who got genuinely good at one thing and can prove it. Depth also builds the kind of confidence that shows up in interviews. When you know something well, you talk about it differently. That difference is immediately obvious to any senior engineer sitting across from you. The third thing is open source contributions. Free mentorship, public track record, real production exposure. A senior engineer reviewing your PR and telling you exactly what's wrong with it is worth more than any course. The feedback loop is faster and the credibility is visible to anyone who looks you up. Start small, fix a bug, improve documentation, open a well-scoped issue. The goal is not to rewrite a major library in your first week. The goal is to get your name attached to real work that real engineers can evaluate. The fourth thing is learning to use AI correctly. The junior devs winning right now are the ones who review AI output before shipping it, who understand what the model generated, who catch the subtle issue before it becomes a production incident. That skill is rare at the junior level and immediately noticeable. The ones struggling are the ones who use AI as a replacement for understanding. They ship fast and break things in ways they cannot explain. In a market where junior hiring is already competitive, being the candidate who cannot debug their own code is a fast exit from the process. The fifth thing is building in public. GitHub activity, writing, side projects people can see. In a market where everyone has the same resume, the visible developer wins. Not because of follower counts, because visibility creates surface area for opportunities to find you. Writing about what you built is the most underrated move at the junior level. A clear blog post explaining how you solved the hard problem does more for your career than 10 more leak code problems. It shows you understand the work well enough to explain it. That is a senior quality showing up early. The AI bubble made the junior path feel impossible. It isn't. It just got more specific. The juniors who will look back on this period as the best time for their career are the ones who shipped real things, got deep on one stack, contributed publicly, used AI as a tool, not a crutch, and made their work visible. The filtered ones were never going to make it anyway. The ones who stayed sharp are entering a market that will pay a lot for exactly what they built. The path was never closed, it just got narrower. Narrower paths have less competition. The senior devs you look up to did the uncomfortable version of this before AI made it easier. You have better tools and the same opportunity. Use both.